Good morning, students. My name is Hardeep Singh and I'm your physics instructor. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start new session and this is our first lecture of physics. In first unit, today we will do the introduction part. First we will do the introduction of what is science. Science means an organized knowledge. What does this organized knowledge means? We have to get deep into concept. This is means what is this organized knowledge? First, let us start from something. You know that the outside world that we are seeing outside, that is a physical world. So what we are doing, that means we will observe something in the world or nature. We will create a knowledge in our mind. Next generation will study that knowledge, and next generation will perform some experiments and add some more knowledge to the previous knowledge. So this is a concept of organization. That means knowledge goes on adding and adding. This is a concept of organization. That means knowledge is being organized. Means what is means in nature different happenings are taking place. Like sun is rising. When sun is having sunset, it is red in color. This is a happening in nature, and human is relating these happenings to certain logics with the help of this organized knowledge. And with the help of this organized knowledge, we can predict the phenomena. What is a phenomena? Phenomena like means formation of rainbow after the rain is a phenomena. We can predict the phenomena with the help of organized knowledge, that means science. We can modify the phenomena and we can control the phenomena. We will discuss in detail how we can predict the phenomena, how we can modify the phenomena, how we can control the phenomena. A human is standing in the ground, and what he is observing, that water is flowing from hill to the land side, and he will develop a logic in his mind that water flows from higher level to lower level. First step is that he will develop a logic. That means he will develop a knowledge in his mind, and when he develop a knowledge, next generation will develop different kind of knowledge, and next generation more knowledge. This knowledge goes on adding and adding, and this is a concept of organized knowledge, that is science. How we can do the prediction of phenomena, how we can do the modification of phenomena, how we can control the phenomena. Now first of all we will discuss the how we can predict the phenomena. First of all, suppose you are standing in a room, and one part of your room is at higher level as compared to the other. Suppose one corner of your room is at higher level as compared to the other corner of the room. So you can easily predict with the help of this organized knowledge only, the water will flow from a corner that is at a higher level to a corner that is at a lower level. You can predict that. So how it is possible? Prediction is possible due to this organized knowledge. Next concept is we can modify the things with the help of this organized knowledge. How? Suppose you are having a room being constructed, you will tell the respected person who is constructing the room that if you want the water flows from B part to A part, if your requirement is like this, you want the water to flow from B part to A part, you will tell that respected person construct this B part at higher level as compared to A. That means you will instruct him to construct B at lower level, and you will instruct him to construct B at a higher level. That means you are modifying the things on the basis of this organized knowledge. That is due to science. That means second advantage of science is we can modify the things. And third concept is we can control the phenomena. That means by doing these two concepts, that means we are controlling the flow of water also. We can control the flow. That means if water starts moving from B to A part, that we have controlled the flow. And gathering of knowledge is known as a science. Third concept is, you know that the laws, they are already made in the nature. Humans are just understanding them. Humans are not making the laws, they are just understanding them. Are you getting this? Humans are just understanding the laws that are already made by the nature. So laws, they are controlling the physical world. You know that, like gravity, law of gravity, due to which we are able to bind with the surface of earth. And our main motive is to understand the laws that are controlling the world. If you want to make a scientific method, means science involves so many scientific methods. What is the scientific method? Suppose you are having some formula, F is equals to ma. This, what is this? This is scientific. This formula is derived with the help of a scientific method. What is this scientific method? We will discuss this thing in detail. To make any law in, or to predict, or to understand, if you want to understand the law that is existing in nature, or if you want to predict the law that is already existing in nature, you have to follow the scientific method. That means, what is the scientific method? Scientific method, it is used to understand the rules of the nature or the phenomena that are present in the nature. And what are the steps of this scientific method? We are going to discuss this scientific method. First, that means scientific method consists of different steps. We will discuss step number 1. In scientific method, what are you aware now why you are using this scientific method? Scientific method is used to predict a law or to understand a law. First step in scientific method is observation. Observation means to observe something. A person is standing on the ground, he will observe that water is coming from higher level to lower level, or he will observe the water is coming from east to west or west to east.